The 2015 Jaguar XF. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Jaguar prioritized comfort and style by including leather upholstery, voice-activated navigation, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a blind spot monitoring system. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10-gigabyte hard drive, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Jaguar also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.